Okay, so let's do some more Nocturnes by Chopin. This is the Nocturne in F minor, Opus 55, number 1. I'll play 20 seconds of music for you, and then I'll show you how to do it yourself. I'll give you the fingerings, the notes, and of course the rhythm, but for now, here is the Nocturne. So this is where I'll stop. Now the left hand is all quarter notes, so we're going to nail that down first. The piece is in 4/4 time, 4 quarters per bar, and this is how we begin. 5 on F, that's your first quarter. 4, 2, and 1, there's your second. G in the bottom, there's your third, and 5, 2, and 1, there's your fourth. Next bar, we have fourth finger on A flat, 3 and 1, and E, 4, 3 and 1. The next 2 bars are identical, all quarter notes. So the left hand is quite straightforward. The right hand, we have a C to begin on its own. It's a pickup note. It kind of introduces the first bar. We're going to have a look at the rhythm in a moment. For now, let's just have a look at the notes. So 2 on C, followed by 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 2. There's your theme. Moving on, we have again 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, and then a little additional ornament. So instead of just 3, 2, you're going to have 4, 3, then a 2. That 4 on E flat, that's a grace note, so it embellishes the D flat. So we have, you see, the space between these 2 notes is shorter than the space between these 2 notes. That's fairly important. And with counting, we're going to place all the fast notes just before the beats 1, 2, 3, or 4. Right? I don't want to count all the 16ths. I think that'll be too tedious. And plus, this is Chopin. He's a little bit more improvisatory and fluid with the rhythm. So all we have to kind of do is make sure that we hit on all the pillars on 1, 2, 3, and 4, where we should and where we want to. And then we fit in all the quick notes around them. So the first note starts on beat 4 because it is a pickup. So it's like the imaginary note or imaginary bar that precedes the first. So we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to notice that the fast notes are right before the beats. 2, 3, 4. Moving on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, you can rewatch that as many times as necessary to make sure you know exactly which note aligns with the beat and which don't. That's quite important. The left hand, since it is all quarters, aligns perfectly with what is said, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So your left hand is essentially the thing that keeps your beats in place. All together now, we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you have it. Not so crazy, is it? With the pedaling, all you have to really do is change the pedals on all the bass notes. So this, 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 and this, right? So pedal for this, pedal for this, pedal for this, and pedal for this. That's going to keep it nice and clean. The rest of the piece will be on the website. It's free, so why not become a member? Join us, join our little community, and we can finish it off. The sheet music will be up there as well. And if you feel like I've earned it, subscribe on YouTube. Let me know what you think down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.